Hey everybody, meteorologist Bo Cole here. We do have the Newark 75-inch touch panel behind me here. They gave me the fun speakerphone. It's called the FreeChat 101. It's a Bluetooth speaker. You can actually use it for Zoom, Microsoft Teams, any sort of virtual meeting, and it can actually double as a little bit of a speaker, even though there are speakers built into the device. But if you want to watch Netflix or Hulu or whatever, you can do that. Also, there is the camera that they gave me, the EasyCam 502 kit. And I actually have that mounted up here to the top of the screen. So you can use that, set it up however you want to, but if I want to go ahead and try to open Hulu and play something, you'll hear that the speaker starts to work. I will play, just pick something at random here.
Drive time makes it easy to buy a car. Yeah. Already approved.
So it's coming out of the little speaker, and you can do it out of the regular ones too if you want to. But as you can see, it doubles and turns into basically a 75-inch TV. So when you're not doing productivity type things, work, whatever you want to do on this device, you can use it as a TV. I frequently use this as a tool for weather stuff. So I have a lot of use for this device, and I find it quite versatile. So hope you guys enjoy it. Give it a shot. It's pretty cool. So if anything, you have yourself a nice big TV. You can use it as a tablet. You can play with all the Google-based apps. It's EDLA certified, and it's got a lot of capabilities. So enjoy.